Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here to share what in my opinion is the coolest retro Bluetooth speaker I've ever seen. It is the Ditoo from Divoom, and there you see it inside. Look at this awesome retro look, and you see here outside it says Ultimate Music Experience. Now, what exactly is this? This is a Bluetooth speaker first and foremost with 10-watt audio power, but beyond that, there's a number of features that just make this Bluetooth speaker such a joy to use, including pixel art creation, sleep alarm sleep aids, an online gallery, a DJ mixing tool, programmable LEDs, daily tools, intranet radio stations, social media notifications, and a 3000 milliampere battery. But this is just scratching the surface. Now, typically I don't review Bluetooth speakers on the channel, but in this case, this is such a cool and interesting device that I just felt the need to share with you guys. And here it is, the Ditoo or Ditoo, and I got it in this kind of bluish color with a kind of a beige kind of look. It's got this very nice retro appeal to it. And let's tear off the sticker here to show you guys. You got this kind of like CRT. It looks like one of these old school monitors, and here you see kind of the air intake for the speaker. The retro pixel art portable speaker. That's what sums it up here. And now just taking a quick tour before we turn this on, you have these kind of buttons. They're like retro keyboard keys, and they basically are going to help you navigate the system. Along with this slot machine lever, I'll show you guys how to use that in a second. You also have micro USB, USB-C charging, and here's the on and off switch for this unit. It's a pretty light speaker, and overall, it sits pretty comfortably in any kind of spot. Doesn't take up too much room as well. And now here we go. Let's turn this bad boy on. There you go. And there you see, even before pairing, what you have is this kind of LCD but pixel art type display, and it basically will give you this very retro look, along with showing the time as well. And there you see it, it is now paired to my Mi 10T Pro. But what I want to do first is show you guys around this Bluetooth speaker. It is pretty neat. So basically, this is how you're going to interact with this display, and you're going to go to menu, and let me show you through the various options you have. You have games, you have the pixel art kind of section here, you have the additional kind of settings. You have a counter, which you can actually use to keep score, let's say, if you're having a game or something like that. You also have here a stopwatch, decibel meter, and trust me, it does work. You have your clock, and you have your music connection here. So let's go ahead and show you though some of the games that you can play on this Bluetooth speaker. And in the case of most Bluetooth speakers, you would just keep it on your desk and you wouldn't interact with it. What I love about this one is that it can be a really great way just to take a break for a few minutes while you're doing work and play a couple of games. And let me show you the games that we got in here. So option one is obviously the most popular, I would say, is the Tetris game. And basically the way this works, let me show you. Yep, you can actually play Tetris on the small display of this Bluetooth speaker and just twisting them around. Let's try to get one line here. Booyah, there we go. But we also have a bunch of other games. We got this one kind of roulette game, and you basically stop it. No points. Let me show you also one of my favorites here, Magic 8 Ball. So here we go. Will I be rich beyond my wildest dreams? Will it happen, Magic 8 Ball? Let me know. Thumbs down! Oh, this thing is brutal. Okay, continue. I don't know if I like that game anymore. We also have this pretty fun Pong type game. Reminds me of the game that used to ship with the iPod, the original iPod. And you can go ahead and play this, and the ball will start speeding up if you fling it faster. There you go, 3 points. You got Snake. And my personal favorite, this has got to be it, Flappy Bird. Do you guys remember this one? Yes, you can actually play Flappy Bird on this Ditoo Bluetooth speaker. Oh, there we go. That is just so much fun. And here's the pixel art creator, so you can actually go ahead and create your own custom pixel art. Now, I haven't delved into this too much, but there is an app also you can download, and you can create your custom designs from that app and then send them over to this Bluetooth speaker to be displayed. But most importantly, guys, this is a Bluetooth speaker, and the audio quality from this thing is actually pretty impressive. Let's jump into Frankie Tech music here, and let me play you one of my tracks. We're going to go to Burn the Night. And look at that, it even shows you the name of the track, and you can adjust the volume like so. But this is the coolest part, guys. Check this out. You can adjust the artwork while you're listening to it. Let's go ahead and play another one. VHS Dreaming, there we go. And check out this one, it's pretty neat. Probably the best song to play on this super retro, super cool Bluetooth speaker. And so there you go, guys, the Ditoo or Ditoo portable Bluetooth speaker. And it is a fun one, guys. One of the coolest little retro speakers that I've ever had a chance to review here on the channel. Now, you can get this on Amazon for $99, but check the links in the description to their website. They have a special deal right now for this speaker, $79.99, and you can get this very unique, very kind of interesting device to sit on your desk. And I think this may be the ultimate like Christmas time gift you can give someone who loves retro tech and who would love to have something like this on their desk that they can play around with, that they can enjoy as a conversation starter, but most importantly, as a solid little Bluetooth speaker as well. But hit me up in the comments. What are your thoughts on this Ditoo Bluetooth speaker? Do you like it? And are you a fan of retro tech the way I am? I absolutely love this kind of stuff. Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. Stay tuned, guys. More fun accessories like this one coming up on the channel very soon. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. It's time for some more Tetris. Oh yeah.